billionaire Elon Musk jealous of? Tesla CEO Elon Musk apparently hit the unfollow button on his ex Grimes social media after she set the internet ablaze with photos featuring her new man. Grimes, whose real name is Claire Boucher, is a Canadian musician. The former couple, who are currently locked in a custody battle over their 3 children, have a history of social media drama. This latest incident comes after Grimes shared a series of snaps getting cozy with a mystery guy. While the identity of the man remains unconfirmed, reports suggest it could be DJ Matteo Anima Milleri. In an image, she was intimate, and in another, the EDM artist was seen kissing the man. She didn't tag the man. However, news websites are suggesting that he might be DJ Matteo. She captioned the post, "Beauty and the Beast." Following this, maybe it was jealousy that forced Musk to unfollow her. Musk and Grimes first made their relationship public in 2018. Their relationship had its fair share of ups and downs, and finally in 2022, they split. Boucher made the announcement on X. However, while an impression was being given by the musician that they were maintaining the balance and were amicable co-parents, there was a change last year. Boucher publicly pleaded for Musk to allow her to see her son.